Hi everyone. In this video, we will make a few post installation tasks. There are a few post installation tasks that we need to complete, and we can do most of those directly. First, let's start and go to local server. At local server, I need to verify that uh, I am activated. So I'm going to click at product ID in here, and to make sure Windows is activated. It's already written at here. The second issue, I want to put an IP for the interface card. We must always use a static IP address for the Windows server. I will use the IP. I will not put default gateway. I don't want now the Windows server to access the internet. Yeah, it's good for now. I want to put the DNS server the same IP address, because in next video, when we will install the DNS server, this server will be a DNS server also. We'll activate the DNS server, DHCP, all of them at Windows Server. Now, I put the IP for the interface card. The next step, I need to change the work group to the domain. I will, it's very important to change it and make it a domain. Now, the next step that I want to change the computer name. It's generated randomly, so I will change it to put it like, let me think what we will make the computer name. I will name it my server 1. Okay, I need to restart after changing the computer name. I will accept and do the restart now. After the restart is finished, we will control that the computer name is changed from here, from the local server. Now the computer name is server 1. The next step that I want to do, I will pause the workstation, or even I will shut down the server, and after that, because I need to change the configuration of the VMware, I will shut down now. Okay. Now I shut down the server, and I needed the virtual machine setting to, I need to give it more memory. Like I will give him like 6 or 7, it's good. Okay, it's good. Uh, I need also to disconnect the internet from the virtual machine